You know how ChatGPT just kind of sounds different from humans and you can't exactly tell why? Well, I looked into the research on this and it's actually explained by a lot of different things happening at once. First, you've probably heard about how AI will overuse certain words like delve, commendable, and meticulous, and this is either because of biased training data or because of biased human feedback and reinforcement learning. But those are just the most obvious examples. ChatGPT will use every word at a slightly different frequency than humans actually use it, which will make the overall effect sound way more robotic. And then there's the use of punctuation. ChatGPT tends to be more formal, so you actually have more overly grammatically correct language, like in excess of em dashes. But then it gets really interesting when we get to the grammatical split. Large language models weirdly tend to use more nouns, which is an indication of objectivity in informational speech, two things they're optimizing for. You'll also have less emotionally charged language since the AI is trained to sound more neutral than us irrational human beings, but at the same time you'll have more positive adjectives and polite speech because of how it's engineered to sound like a servant to us. All of this together means that it's possible to sound like an AI, and our awareness of that is probably going to change language. Like, now that we're aware of the delve thing, we might use that word less, but at the same time we use words that we see, which means the other overrepresented words might increasingly creep into our vocabularies. For more on how AI is affecting our language, make sure to pre-order my book Algo Speak.